Karma and this little naughty girl is Honey. We are both excited for another hike. Today we are hiking Mount Beacon Fire Tower, which is 1 hour 19-minute drive from New York City, and it is 63 miles in total. Make sure to search for scenic Hudson parking lot to get in this parking lot, and try to get as early as can since the parking lot is small. We were lucky somebody just left. The parking was full already. Okay, let's do this. Our first destination will be Beacon Overlook, which is 1.2 miles hike from the parking lot. We will be walking through the wooden gate and proceeding along the gravel path, and we are already on Red Casino Trail. It is gonna be 45 minutes of walking to get to Beacon Overlook. To get to the Beacon Overlook at the old casino room, you will have to climb about 200 steps.
I know, right? Well, that's cool. Are you going to carry that way?
The upper ruins of the Mount Beacon Incline Railway, the first real test of a view for the day. A look inside the ruins and check out the views and the old railway machinery. The awesome cliff-top overlook at the site of the old casino. The views from the overlook are incredible and totally worth the 1 hour trek up there. The view at the casino overlook is so awesome, you could absolutely make it your final destination. To me, it would be a shame to be this close to Mount Beacon Fire Tower without paying it a visit. It is 1 mile to Mount Beacon Fire Tower from here. After the amazing view from overlook, we now headed to Mount Beacon Fire Tower. We are going to continue following the red trail towards the tower. Finally, we reach Mount Beacon Fire Tower. Man, what a spot! It was so windy. So cute. Awesome views to greet you as stand atop the summit of South Beacon Mountain. On a clear day, you can apparently see New York City from up there. This is the view from top of the tower. From up top, you will have views of pretty much everything. It was too windy that day, could hardly take photos from the top. I brought my lunch from home as well. I love open air dining. After the lunch, we started heading back. Back down to the red trail, we are returning the same way we came up. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and do let me know in comment box how did it turn out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care. Oh, somebody is hungry. Right, Boo Boo? Hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.